In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change shipping address in Etsy. Let's get started by opening a new browser window. In the search bar, type the name of the Etsy marketplace and press Enter. From the results, choose the official Etsy website. This ensures you're signing into the real site and not a lookalike. Once the home page loads, look toward the top right corner and sign into your account. If you're already signed in, you'll see your profile icon instead. Make sure you're using the account where your purchases are made so the change is applied where you need it. After you're signed in, go to your account. You'll usually find this by selecting your profile icon, then looking for an option labeled Your Account or a similar dropdown. Inside this area, locate Account Settings. This is where Etsy keeps your personal details and preferences, including addresses. In Account Settings, find the Addresses section. This is the hub for everything related to where your orders are shipped. You'll see any existing addresses listed here. To change one, click Edit next to the address you want to update. If you're moving or need a brand new location, choose Add a new address instead. Editing lets you correct typos or update things like your apartment number, while adding a new address is useful if you ship to multiple places. When you're editing or adding, take a moment to enter the details carefully. Include the full street address, apartment or suite number, city, state or region, postal code, and country. Use standard abbreviations and ensure everything matches local postal formatting. Accurate formatting helps carriers deliver without delays. If your building has a delivery instruction like a gate code or a preferred entrance, some regions allow a delivery note. Keep it short and clear if you see that option. Once your information looks correct, click Save. Give the page a moment to confirm the change. After saving, you should see the updated address listed. If you added a new one, it will appear alongside your existing addresses. From now on, when you check out, Etsy will show your saved addresses so you can select the right one. A quick tip: changing your address here applies to future orders. It won't update the shipping address for an order that's already placed. If you've already checked out and need to change the destination, reach out to the seller promptly to see what's possible, or consider canceling and reordering if the seller agrees. That's it. Your shipping address on Etsy is now updated and ready for your next purchase.